Welcome to MST School of Trading. Dear traders, you all know we have been using the same indicator for so many years, and the indicator name is MST iCore 2.0. The waiting time is over for you. I know you all have fed up with losses. You all have spent huge amount in buying indicators in courses, price action courses, option trading courses and all. Now we have one stop solution wherein you will get your daily profit just by using our indicator. And we have also started giving lifetime validity. Yes, you heard right. Lifetime means unlimited lifetime. There is no need to renew at all. Pay once and use it for a lifetime. Earlier we were giving for 5 years validity. Now we have extended to unlimited lifetime validity. That too with huge discounted prices. We are giving you this indicator at huge discounted prices. Now let me share you how to use our indicator. So once the market is opening at 9:15, what you have to do, select the script which you want to trade. Now I am showing you continuously in Bank Nifty. Why? Because of the consistency. Today if I show you one script and tomorrow if I change you the next script, you may be asking that yesterday he shown one script because it was giving profit and today he changed the script because it was giving loss. That is why to avoid this kind of confusion and accusation, we have started to give you the demo live video recording on a single script continuously. We don't have to trade in all the scripts available in the NSE market. We can trade only in one script and that one script will give us monthly salary. That is enough for us. And we are not telling you that you will be getting 100% profit always. But we are telling you your profit will be more than your losses. That is what our warranty or guarantee or the power of our indicator. Now I will just do that bar replaying option. Go to the bar replay and I have given the starting point. And after that go to the indicator settings and give default one. Okay, reset settings. Since we are trading in Bank Nifty, it is advisable to keep in tiny to stop loss and tiny to targets. That's all. Nothing else we are going to change in the default mode. Now let me show you by replaying the market. Now market has opened and immediately after having opened the market, we have got formed 4 lines tops, 4 lines totally. Top side 2 line, bottom side 2 line and mid side 5 line. Mid side 1 black color lines we have formed. Now if the market is going towards the upper side, we have to sell. If the market is coming down towards the bottom side, that is a buy zone, we have to buy. Since I have taken the Bank Nifty index option, we will be choosing the premium. See, if the market is coming down to this buy zone and the buy entry is 52,087, so we can go for in the money call option buy. 52,000 call option we can buy at the market price. If the market is going up towards this level, 52,600 is the entry price, so we can have 52,700 put option buy. So let me see what has happened in the market. Market is coming down. Yeah, coming down, then going up, coming down and going up. It is in the range bound market. Now it is clearly giving one bearish R3C sell entry. We have taken that till buy zone we can book. So now exactly buy has been activated. If buy activated, there is no sell. If sell activated, there is no buy until SL hit. Okay. If SL hit, we have to go for the reversal entry. What is a reversal entry? Suppose buy activated, instead of giving the targets, it has given the loss. That means SL hit. Then we have to go for the second sell. Similarly, if sell activated, instead of giving the profit in the sell side, it is going towards the upper side, bullish side, then we will be in a loss. So to recover that loss, we have to go for the reverse buy. That is what we are saying, reversal entry. So now both I have enabled. Buy activated and the first target will be 52,171. if this first by SL is 52,000. If SL hit, then we have to go for the reversal entry from the 52,000 and the target will be 51,925 as the first target. So now what has happened, you can see yourself, buy activated, first target is not yet given. We are strictly waiting for the first target. Minimum we have to book at the first target. Once again buy activated, target is not yet given. Target is missed by 2 to 3 points. Now it is exactly has given the first target. Once buy activated and first target is given, you can either exit from the market and you can close your system and you can do your other works. Otherwise, if once again it is coming down and hitting the buy zone, then also you can take, again you can keep the same stop loss, again you can wait for the first target. Once first target is given, you can revise the stop loss to cost and you can wait for the second target. If second target is hit, you can revise the stop loss to first target and you can wait for the third target. In this way, you can enhance your profit range. See here, again buy activated, first target hit, it is going to hit our second target also. Exactly, it has hit the second target as well. See the accuracy, first buy activated, target hit. Again it has come down and it has taken the support from the buy zone only, it has reversed and almost second target has been hit. So this is how our indicator is working, not only in Bank Nifty, almost in all the script available in the NSE market. But what we are telling is, don't change your script day by day. Take any one script and expertise in that script and keep trading on the same script and you will be getting more profit than the loss. And you can take a consistent salary from the trading by using our indicator. If you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe, like it, watch the videos again and again until you understand and share to all your beloved ones whom you care. Also, please join our Telegram channel called MST School of Trading for free and we will be posting there our videos and screenshot before the market has opened or before the target is given. And nowadays we are giving you unlimited lifetime validity. So whomsoever want to subscribe for it, immediately subscribe and enjoy your rest of the life. Thank you all. Bye bye. Wish you all a happy profitable day ahead.